Hello, my name is Gareth Newby from Preston Baker Estate Agents in Oakwood, and I'm here today to tell you about a really great opportunity to buy something that does not come to the market too often. As you can see behind me, we've got a detached 4-bedroom property on Parkwood Gardens. Now, Parkwood Gardens is literally round the corner from Roundhay High School, one of the best schools in the area, very sought after, loads of people want to get into it, and you have to be right on the doorstep to get into these schools. As you know from the location, we've got Soldiers Field, the cricket club nearby, the Roundhay Fox, one of the best pubs in Leeds with the open fires, 13 cask ales, great pub food. There's loads of stuff going on around here. It's all about the location of this property. Inside, as you're going to see, the property does need some work. This is a property for someone who's looking for a project to get the teeth stuck into. And if you come and look on the street, you will notice that a lot of the properties on the street have actually been extended and redeveloped. Now, the property itself has got land to either side. Hopefully you can get an idea of the space you've got to either side. So let's stop chatting and take a look inside. Come on. Now, as you can see straight away, you will notice that we haven't gone for the amazing decor on this property. Hopefully it'll give you an idea of the work that needs doing. Structurally, perfectly sound, but just needs someone to come in and really get to grips with this property. So let's take a look through. So into the kitchen, again, needs work. You probably could live in it, but you will want to come and put your own mark on this property. Now, I want to take you outside because this is where, for me, the potential really is. So come and take a look. Now, as we come outside, when you come onto the street, you will probably notice that a lot of the properties have extended over the garage. The beauty with this property in this plot is that we've actually got all this space here as well, which, given the correct planning permissions and building regulations, etc., you could extend this property into a 6 or 7 bedroom property and still have loads and loads of space. Okay, let's take a look around the other side now. So as well as the property, you've got this brilliant summer house glass conservatory, which is a great feature. Nice and private as well, so you've got lots and lots of trees. Great sized garden. Again, just take a look at the space around. So much space. Brilliant. So we're launching this property. We're going to expect a lot of interest. So please call the office, register your interest, take a look at the rest of the photographs so you can get a feeling of how much work's required and just what needs to be done. But yeah, definitely come along and take a look at this absolute gem of an opportunity. Take care.